Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number X1023XX. 13,000 miles on this Traverse comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper. This Traverse seats 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, or tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Traverse is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star overall government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience, ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Separate rear heat and air controls. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. Automatic dual-zone temperature control in front, along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, an all-wheel drive lock giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 310 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and the city average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.